Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna play Geometry Dash Sub-Zero. Let's start. Oh no. Oh my god. Why am I so bad? Ball Stars. Oh, that's it. Ugh, bro. That's way too funny. I don't know what should we do.
Press that dots at the top. Look,
I don't know what to play right now. Okay, we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers. I love Subway Surfers. It's probably like my second favorite game. Why is the police officer dressed as a bunny? I know it's Easter, right? Tomorrow, no, in one day it's gonna be Easter. It's gonna be on Sunday. Oh my god. God. This is awesome. Oh no. Oh man, and I was running so fast that's why I died. My new high score. Yes, go. Oh man, let's go. Now, we're gonna play more. Cause no one can stop me. No one can stop me. Yeah, I'm a little bit cringy for real.
Anybody who says
Thanks, got me. I'm a racer on a floor, man. Baby. Okay, guys, this will probably be the end of the video. So I hope you had a fantastic time. Actually, this is my second video. What am I talking about? Peace. We out.